Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Grace for those who are new here, and welcome. Today we're gonna go ahead and kind of do a little review, first impressions on the Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz and Coco Bling. I know that the Spotlight Glitz has been out for a while now. I think it was part of his Christmas collection last year, but now he's brought in new shades. Unfortunately, my local Sephora only had this shade, which this is his original shade out of that collection of the spotlights. And Coco Bling, such an iconic highlight that I've heard everybody talk about. So I had to try these two. Never tried this brand before. This is my first time trying it, and I am super excited. And let's go ahead and start the tutorial. We're gonna go ahead and start by priming our eyes with the Plouise Rumor number 0 and OTT Orange. These two, we're gonna go ahead and mix them together to make our base for our eyeshadow. I've been liking this Makeupfiends eyeshadow brush. It doesn't have a name on it, but it's just so amazing for this base and applying it. I'm gonna show you guys here. So that's about like the base color that I'm wanting. What we're gonna go ahead and do is just dab that color into the eye right here. And with the Plouise base, you just wanna dab it on. Just like so. You guys have no idea how easier it is to do makeup with these Plouise bases. They're like so good. I really love them. So we're gonna bring the base all the way to the inner corner. We're not gonna like make it up high. We just want enough to cover the lid, just like so. We're gonna grab a Sigma diffusing E38 brush to diffuse the pigment. To diffuse the shadow base a little bit and get rid of like the harsh line that it gave from that brush. We're gonna go ahead and use is the BH Festival palette. This is kind of like the only colorful palette I have at the moment, so this is what we're gonna go ahead and use. And we're gonna go ahead and go in with Hippie and then Escape, which is the two oranges, the one right here and then the one right here. Set the base. Basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do is place this orange shadow to set the base, and I'm just dabbing it. As you can tell, because this base is sticky, what we're currently doing is just setting the base with the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go ahead and deepen it with the Escape shade from the palette, which is this dark orange brown color. We're gonna focus that right here in the outer crease of the eye. We're gonna mix that with that shade and the Hippie shade, which is the orange shade in the palette. Go back in with the Escape shade, deepen it a little bit. All right, so now that it looks like this, I'm pretty satisfied with what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my bottom. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go back with the Plouise base that we put on this brush. And then I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. Honestly, it's okay if it gets all over the place. That can be cleaned up. I'm gonna go into Dippy, which is that hot pink shade. And we're gonna put that purple shade right like in the middle towards the inner lower lash line. It looks like something like this. Head with my Smith 230 brush and just blend my outer V. When we go in with the foundation, all this is gonna get cleaned up. All right, guys. So far, so good. I like what we have going on here. Now, what we're gonna go ahead and do is start working on our lash line. We're going to use the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, which it looks like this. Apply that to the lash line and the waterline inside the eye. As well, I'm gonna bring it inside the lower waterline. And I'm gonna smudge some on the line right here as well. Using my Milk Cosmetics Dark Matter Black Eyeshadow. It's literally the blackest eyeshadow ever. What I'm gonna do is just smudge out that line. Get in between those lashes. What we're gonna go ahead and use is the Artist Couture Spotlight Glitz. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the lid. So it looks like this. Just like so. That eye, I added way too much. This shimmer is actually pretty easy to work with. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually put way too much on one eye and it was just like, whoa. So by me just tapping over that and then just spreading it out, bringing it to the other eye, it just carried over. So there's kind of like no messing up, which I really like that. You can just go ahead and add this over like a naked lid and just go on about your day, or you can just glam it up just like this. The lashes that I'm gonna go ahead and apply are the Kiss lashes. Grab a clean blending brush. This is a Wayne Goss number 19 brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the outer edges and just blend that out so it looks more seamless. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Kat Von D Alchemist palette from the palette, which is this one right here. Spray it with some Fix Plus. The eyes are mostly done. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back for the actual highlights. Okay. All right, guys, for my favorite moment of my makeup, we're gonna go ahead and try the Artist Couture Coco Bling highlight. I am super excited to try this. Super excited because I've heard nothing but amazing things about this highlight. So, girl, expectations are high. I do like that the actual component has the little safe lock. That means like your highlight powder is not gonna be going absolutely everywhere. So I truly love that. Good looking out, Angel. All right, so I'm just gonna grab some, spray my brush, and this is gonna be my Smith 232 brush. I'm gonna spray it with MAC Fix Plus. I'm just gonna allow it to dry for a little bit, just so it's not like soaking wet. A mistake I normally do is just put too much Fix Plus. It's like, when is there not enough Fix Plus? Like, I shower in Fix Plus. I'm gonna pick up my mirror and let's go ahead and go in. So here we go, guys. And this is me not even putting pressure on the brush. Like, that was just me gracing. Whoa. Whoa. The highlight is intense. That was just me gracing. Wow, like hella impressed. Love this. Okay, okay. I think this is like the best highlighters I've ever tried in my life, like ever, guys. This is beautiful. And it doesn't seem to show a lot of texture on the skin either. So I love that. Let me do it on the other side. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not putting any pressure on the skin. I'm just hovering the brush over my skin. And look at that. Well, this one is like intense, so let me diffuse it. The great thing about this highlighter, from what I can tell, is that it's very seamless. And it's a highlight that you can be seen from a distance. It doesn't seem to emphasize like any bumps or anything on my skin either. It seems to be like a very soft situation that's happening. So let me add some on my forehead because I like to have my forehead glow. So let me just spray. I'm gonna spray like very far away. Here. Okay. So I don't want my brush to be super wet. So let's hit the top of my forehead right here and then right here. Boom. And I didn't even put that much highlight, guys. It's just enough for me to look like a bit. Oh my god, that is stunning. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna go in for some nose highlight. This is probably too much of a fluffy brush for my nose, but that's okay, we'll make it work. I literally have no more product left on my cap here, so I'm just working with what's left over. Okay, I don't want to OD on highlight on my nose, but that looks real cute. Let me put some on my chin, on one corner. Boom. Wow, I am shook, to say the least. This highlight is absolutely gorgeous. My suggestion would be to use it in moderation. This highlight, if you grab a good amount and just put it on your cheekbone, it's gonna be super intense. A little bit goes a long way. My suggestion would be to use a fluffy brush, just like this Smith 232, and just put it on. Yeah, I'm shook. I'm loving the highlights, and I'm loving the spotlight glitz on my eyes. It gives my eyes like a wet effect. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm truly loving this. Let me add some more spot glitz on my eye, just to like touch it up a little bit. Guys, you don't even need that much. Look how much is on my cap. Just with that alone, you'll be good. Watch, let me show you. I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus. Just a tiny bit, just a tiny spritz. You don't need a lot. Just dab it right there. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm a fan officially, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm like so into like shimmers right now. Shout out to my girl Vicky. I think like watching all her like Insta stories and the makeup looks that she does on her clients got me like, I need some shimmer. So I'm obsessed with shimmer now. It's my new thing, 2019. Oh yeah. Now that I'm like touching it up even more, it's even prettier. Because I know now where like to concentrate it. Concentrate the glitz. Oh my god, look how wet my lids look. That is stunning. I don't know about y'all, but this artist Couture spot glitz and eye shimmers and highlight powders, I'm all in. I'm all in. Mac Daddy, hi, my name is Anna, and I'm obsessed with your products. Like, whoa, these are amazing, and I think everybody should have these. Maybe not for everyday wear, but when you want to look snatched, when you want to, you know, just not look like yourself, or you want to impress somebody, or you're trying to impress that one boy that you like. I don't know, but see, this got me feeling so cute on so many levels. So yeah, my final verdict is that I recommend this. If you're looking for like a beautiful party, you know, beaming highlight, glitz on the eyes, these are everything. So this is the look that I created. I know it was a bit longer than usual, but I wanted to create something just beautiful and stunning and glam. Literally a full beat glam. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love ya, and till next time.